Before buying a 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Deshuo Rotary Hammer. The Deshuo 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer caught my eye with its low price point of just $54.79, especially considering it boasts a 9-amp motor. If you want an affordable yet effective tool for concrete drilling, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about this hammer is its lightweight design at just 7.19 pounds, making it ideal for overhead or downward drilling. The 9-amp motor delivers a solid 1,100 RPM and 5,300 BPM, translating to 2.21 foot-pounds of impact energy. This means you can tackle concrete and masonry without much fuss. Plus, the 4 operational modes, rotation only, rotary hammer, hammer only, and variolock, offer flexibility for various tasks. The built-in safety clutch adds an extra layer of protection, preventing torque transmission if the bit binds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It ensures a smoother drilling experience without the worry of damaging the tool or your wrist. Now, some people complained about the fact that it only works with SDS Plus bits, which might limit your options if you typically use standard drill bits. But here's the thing. If you're specifically looking for a tool that excels at drilling into concrete and masonry, this limitation might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner needing a reliable tool for light to medium tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty hammer for extensive demolition work. At this price, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the limitation of using only SDS Plus bits bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Bosch Bulldog Extreme. The Bosch 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme has a price tag of $161.10, which feels justified given its robust features. If you want a reliable tool for serious masonry work, this is definitely worth a look. What really impressed me was the power behind this machine. With a 7.5 amp motor, it delivers up to 1,300 RPM and 5,800 BPM, offering 2.0 foot-pounds of impact energy. This means you can punch through tough materials without breaking a sweat. The multi-function selector with 3 modes, rotation only, rotary hammer, and hammer only, gives you flexibility depending on your task. Plus, the D-handle design is ergonomic, providing comfort during extended use, especially for overhead drilling. Here's why this matters. You can work longer without fatigue, which is crucial for bigger projects. Now, some reviews pointed out that it can be a bit heavy for some users. Here's the thing though. This weight contributes to its stability and power, so if you're okay with a solid tool that packs a punch, it shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for professional contractors or serious DIYers who need a reliable hammer for frequent use. Skip this one if you want something lightweight or only need a tool for occasional small jobs. It's a solid investment considering its performance and brand reputation. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, DeWalt DCH133B. The DeWalt 20V Max SDS Plus rotary hammer comes in at $229, and you can feel the quality right out of the box. If you want the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing power, this one is definitely worth considering. This tool features a brushless motor that delivers 2.6 joules of impact energy, which means fast drilling in concrete without the hassle of cords. The lightweight design is ideal for various applications, from structural connections to beam anchorage. You also have a rotating dial to easily switch between drill, hammer drill, and chip modes. This flexibility is great if you often switch tasks. Here's why this matters. You can tackle multiple projects without needing to swap out tools. However, some users have noted that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which can be a letdown if you're not already in the DeWalt ecosystem. But if you are, you'll appreciate the compatibility with other DeWalt tools, making it a smart buy. This is perfect for professionals who need a reliable, cordless solution for various drilling tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option or don't already own DeWalt batteries. It's priced higher, but the quality and versatility justify the investment. Now, if you're leaning towards a cordless option, you might want to hear about our next pick that combines both corded and cordless features.
Product number 4, Milwaukee M18 Fuel. The Milwaukee 2912-20 M18 Fuel is priced at $278.99, which might seem steep, but it delivers performance that matches. If you want a rotary hammer that adapts to your working style, this one deserves a closer look. This cordless rotary hammer features auto stop control, which senses if the bit binds and automatically stops the motor, protecting both you and the tool. It has a maximum rotational speed of 1,330 RPM and is part of the M18 system, which has over 200 compatible tools. This means you can easily extend your tool set without worrying about mismatched batteries. Here's why this matters. If you're already invested in the Milwaukee ecosystem, this tool will integrate seamlessly into your existing setup, saving you time and money. But I have to be real with you. It's heavier compared to some other options, which might be an issue for extended overhead work. But that added weight contributes to its durability and stability during operation. This is perfect for contractors or serious DIYers who are looking for a reliable and powerful rotary hammer. Skip this if you want something lightweight for simple home projects. It's a worthy addition to any serious toolkit. All right, that brings us to our final product, which is a budget-friendly option with some interesting features.
Product number 5, Berserker Rotary Hammer. The Berserker 1 1/8 inch SDS Plus rotary hammer is priced at $84.79, making it one of the more budget-friendly options out there. If you're looking for an affordable tool that still packs a punch, this is worth considering. What caught my attention is its powerful 9-amp motor that delivers up to 1,050 RPM and 4,200 BPM, translating to 3.3 feet lips of impact energy. This means it can handle concrete, brick, and masonry with ease. Its 3 operational modes, rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammering only, allow for versatility in different applications. The 360-degree adjustable handle is a nice touch for reducing fatigue during extended use. Here's why this matters. You can customize your grip based on your task, enhancing comfort and control. However, some users have mentioned that it feels a bit bulky for smaller jobs. But here's the thing. If you're focused on serious drilling tasks, the weight contributes to its stability, so it's not a major drawback. This is perfect for DIYers or homeowners looking to tackle renovation projects without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a lightweight tool for quick tasks. For its price, it's a fantastic value. And there you have it, 5 solid options for 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammers, each catering to different needs and budgets.
We've covered some great options ranging from the budget-friendly Daishwo to the versatile Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, there's a rotary hammer here that will get the job done.